everyone, my name is Minh, and today I'm talking about life cycle. Do you know a life cycle? A life cycle is a living things and animals, humans start over and over and over. It's just beginning like a baby plant, turn over and over to an adult, just like a circle. And even a plant have life cycle. Now, let's introduce about a plant's life cycle. As you can see, this is a picture of a life cycle. First, you have a seed of an apple. When you eat it, it will do like this. And the seed you will find in the middle of the apple. And then you will pick the seed and put it in the soil. Like in this picture, then the seed will grow out stems. The stem will grow many stem, and many stem. And then when the stem are growing many more, but in this picture they only grow the beginning. But I will tell more about it. Like if the seed growing to the plant, it means it has a lot of legs. The legs are called the stem, alright? And then the coat will fall down. As you can see the coat, but you see this coat in the picture, but we talk about this picture. The coat will not fall out when the seed begins up. It only sprouting a little. But when it's sprouting a little more in two leaves, then it's the coat of the seed will fall down, and then the seed will fall down, and then a new plant cycle will begin. This is a setting, and the setting has some branches. And in this picture, you look two of these are different because this have branches and this no branches. And when it grows a little more, it will have more leaf, and then it become a tree. This tree begin to have flower first. Then I look like this picture must have flower, and this picture have fruits. That's alright, but they must be cut for something wrong. When the fall come in, the farmer in the farm will pick up the apple, and then when the winter came, the leaf will all fall down. Like you see, when the farmer eat the apples and then put it in the ground, the new life cycle will begin. And you can see the trees unlike it. But do you know a flower and a tree different? Of course, it just like happened to a, like example, talk about the sunflower flower. Sunflower, okay? The sunflower is different from it. Do you know why? Let me talk to you and you know why. First, it begins with a sunflower seed. It grows and then it goes into a long stem. As you know, sunflower is very tall. And then it grows more leaves and have a big flower. Big flower, then the fall comes, all the seed will fall down. And you see, it do not have fruits, and it do not have branches, so it's different from the tree. Okay. Now let's move to the second. It's the butterfly life cycle. It means the animal's life cycle. First, the mother butterfly will lay out the eggs in a leaf, and the caterpillar or called the larva will come out, and their first meal is called the eggshells. The eggshells is very yummy, and then when they eat all the eggshells like this picture, they will eat leaf until they're fat. They will choose in new clothes because the old clothes are very old, and they will need much because their body was too big for the old clothes, so they will choose the new coat. But in this picture, they do not have a new coat picture. So I will talk to you because you know more about it. And then the caterpillar, and then go into the branches, totally 1 hour, and then it will make a crystal called papa. And then a crystal will stay for 1 month to 2 months. And then it will come to a mother butterfly like the parrot, like the butterfly. And then the life cycle will turn again, the eggs, the caterpillar, the crystal, and then become the butterfly. As you can know that the life cycle is very different from like the animals different from a planet, and the planet even different from the humans. I don't have pictures of humans, but I will tell you about it. Example, like when you in your mommy tummy, and then the baby will growing. When you are born, you will just cry and laugh. When you grow up a little, when you 5 or 6 years old, you become a child. But then when you grow into 18 or 19, and when you turn to a grown up, more like your parents, you are adults. And when you come in old, like that, before coming old, some parents have son and daughter. They have a child, like a mother have. But some family are alone because they can give birth to a child. And when they give birth to a child, like my mommy lay me out, and then when you give birth to a baby, you will grow and grow, and you become too old. And then you died. And that is a life cycle. And your child become adult, and then the life cycle will come along. Like you see, I have talked about 3 life cycles of animals, a planet, and a human being. So, you know, a life cycle starts over and over and over. So, thank you. Goodbye, everyone.